In this video, I'll be discussing about Black, a code auto formatter made specifically for Python 3. So let's say you are coding in Python and you end up something like this, a big mess, and you want to quickly format it, simple command. So instead of taking your time trying to just go through line by line, what you can use is Black instead. So let's go ahead and install Black for Python with the commands pip install Black. You've successfully installed Black. You can type in the commands black -- version. As you can see, it has Black version 23.3.0. So the simple command on how to format this file is type in Black and the name of the file, in this case main. So as you can see, Black has quickly formatted it the way it should be according to PEP 8. Now, there are some commands that are there, such as this one says format on or off. So as you can see, when it's off, it'll keep the existing format, while on will automatically change it to the way that Black suggests. Another way of running the same command to format this file, in case you want to run Black as a package, is to type in python -m black and the name of the file. As you can see, it's another way of just running it in case the previous command did not work. Let's say you have a folder full of files that need to be formatted. Instead of running them one by one, what you can type instead is Black and the name of the folder. As you can see, both files have been formatted. Black also supports .gitignore files. So let's say we have these two files that are under this git.ignore, and we want to run a auto format to format the whole structure of this folder. What we can do is type in Black followed by a dot. As you can see, Black has reformatted these three files here, but has ignored these two over here. Let's say we want to format this file here and want to make sure that we want to see what changes or what doesn't change before we run Black. So Black supports a couple of parameters that you can pass in. So let's say we type in Black main, and we can pass in the parameter check. This will basically tell us if this file needs to be formatted. So as you can see, main will be formatted because it has issues. Now we can pass in another parameter called diff, which will tell us what needs to be changed and what will change, similar to how GitHub shows file changes. Now, to make it easier, you can also pass another parameter called color. As you can see, it'll show us the before and after. For example, regular formatting will go from here to this. And once you are ready, you can run Black and the file name, and as you can see, it will be formatted as it has shown during the checking process. This was a basic demonstration of using Black to auto format Python code with ease and a few basic commands. Now, if you want more information, I will leave a link down in the description below for more information on how to set up Black as a server, as well as incorporating with other extensions like iSort. Feel free to leave a like, subscribe, comment below. Thank you for watching. This has been CodeBui.